Question number 5 deals with what? Law of malus. So we'll use it. If this is 100% energy, this reduces to half. If this intensity is 2 I naught, this intensity is how much? I naught. We'll use this. This part that this reduces to 50%, we'll take up in B part of question number 5. The law is statement first one is polarizer. This light is unpolarized. Unpolarized light. When this unpolarized light passes through this is the axis. Then it gets polarized. If this intensity is 2 I naught, after polarization the intensity reduces to half. To be proved at the end of this article. If you place another analyzer at certain angle theta with the original one, angle between the two is theta, that is this arrangement 1, this is one axis, this is another axis. Now the angle between the two in this case is 0, parallel, 30 degree, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. If the two are perpendicular to each other, angle is 90. If this angle is theta, the law is the outcome intensity here, the output energy here is I naught cos square theta. The law is statement. When a beam of a completely plane polarized light, this is plane polarized light, is incident on an analyzer, this is what? A polarizer. This is what? Analyzer. Is incident on an analyzer, the resultant intensity of light transmitted from analyzer varies directly as square of cosine of angle between plane of transmission of a analyzer. That is angle between this axis, that is polarizer, and this axis, that is analyzer. Whatever is angle between the two, that means what? Law of malus is, as per this diagram, intensity is proportional to what? Cos square theta. I is equal to maximum intensity I naught into cos square theta. This is law of malus. Proof for this part. Why it comes out to be cos square theta? Anyone? If there is a vector, say, if there is a, for this particular case, there is, this is the axis, and if a wave oscillates at any angle, means what? If its amplitude is A and it makes angle theta, then component of this along this line is what? A cos theta. This is amplitude. Intensity is proportional to square of amplitude. Amplitude is equal to what? A cos theta square. Proportional to what? A square cos square theta. This A square is what? Maximum intensity, in this case I naught cos square theta. It is not proportional here, it is equal to. So intensity I is equal to I naught cos square theta. Proof, not proof, it is confirmation. Yes. When theta is 0, 1, another. In case this is the angle, this angle is theta is 0. When theta is 0, this energy is I naught. This is also I naught. Same energy. In this case, same energy will pass. And now, if you rotate the analyzer 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, and now they are perpendicular to each other. When they are 90 degree to each other, perpendicular, this is the case when they are perpendicular to each other. Theta is what? 90. Cos 90 is 0. So intensity outcome here is 0. Time with you is 4 minutes. 4 minutes to write. Polaroid or polarizer will reduce the energy to 50%. This is what we want to prove. See, all these oscillations are making some angle. This oscillation makes 0 angle, this oscillation makes 90 degree. What about other? So, for this case, if this is the axis, some wave with amplitude A makes angle theta 1. Another wave, again amplitude A, makes angle theta 2. Another one, amplitude A, makes angle theta 3. Various waves can have angle variation from 0 to 2 pi. That means what? Theta may vary from 0 to 2 pi. Value corresponding to 1. So this angle is theta or theta 1. This is amplitude is A, angle is theta. Its component A cos theta. Perpendicular component A sin theta. Which component is transmitted? Parallel to this. Parallel to this is A cos theta. So the amplitude of each wave, how much of that parallel component A cos theta is transmitted? That means the value corresponding to 1 is what? A square, if it is one vector, cos square theta 1, second A square cos square theta 2, and keep on doing this. And you want to find out the average value. That means all, if it is 1, 2, 3, if it is suppose n terms, all n terms. This is what you want to write. Value is what? Average value. Now, mathematical aspect of this. Sum of infinite numbers. Integration. A square cos square theta. Integration divided by integration theta varies from what? 0 to 2 pi. Then the limit is 2 pi minus 0 is equal to what? It is a square integration of cos square theta over 2 pi. We want to find out this part and we want to prove this is equal to what? 1 by 2. We write it, and after this I will prove that this part cos square theta, average value of cos square theta comes out to be 1 by 2. It's mathematical part. You write down this. After this I will prove this part is equal to 1 by 2. Last step, we will prove this part is equal to 1 by 2. Cos square theta integration limits 0 to 2 pi divided by what? 2 pi minus 0. We want to prove it is equal to 1 by 2. This is what we want to prove. Left hand side 1 by 2 pi integration of cos square theta d theta limits 0 to 2 pi is equal to what? 1 by 2 pi. Cos square theta is what? Yes, cos 2 theta is 2 cos square. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos square theta is equal to what? 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 integration. It is equal to what? 1 by 2 pi. You can take it out, 1 by 2. Integration of 1 is what? Theta. Cos 2 theta integration is sin 2 theta by 2. Limits 0 to 2 pi is equal to what? 1 by 2 pi into 1 by 2. Put limits for theta. Upper limit is 2 pi, lower limit is 0. What about this one? Yes, sin 2 into theta. Theta is 2 pi. 2 into 2 pi is 4 pi. Sin 4 pi is 0. Lower limit 0. Sin 0 is also 0. That is why the second part comes out to be 0. This part is 0. So what you get is 2 pi minus 0. 2 pi cancel. 1 by 2. So average value of cos square theta is what? 1 by 2. Repeat. These waves are oscillating at different angles. Some wave is 10 degree, other wave is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. All types of waves are there. We want to find out what is the average value of cos square theta comes out to be half. That is why if unpolarized light is 2I0, plane polarized light is I0. So a polarizer reduces the intensity to 50% of original. 3 marks question in board. You have to prove polarizer reduces the intensity to 50%. 2 minutes with you to complete. 2 minutes to complete this. Now we refer to numerical part. Numerical number is 16, 1, 6. All numericals for this part, you need to draw this diagram. Angle between the two is theta. Energy here is I naught cos square theta. Numerical number 16. Question is, at what angle should the axis of two Polaroids be placed so as to reduce the intensity of incident unpolarized light to 1/3? Given output intensity I naught cos square theta is 1/3 of what? Yes. I naught or 2 I naught? Refer to the question. 1/3 of unpolarized. This light is unpolarized. If the question is 1/3 of polarized, then it is 1/3 of I naught. That is a major issue in competition. It is 1/3 of unpolarized light. That means it is 1/3 of a 2 I naught. Given, find theta. I naught cos square theta is equal to 1/3 to I naught. I naught cancel. Cos square theta is 2/3. Cos theta 2/3 under root. Theta cos inverse 2/3 under root. This is how you get for competition. Calculation, or you can say theta value you want to find out. You can try. Cos theta is equal to what? 2/3 under root means what? 0.67 under root is equal to what? Approximately. Yes. If it is 0.64, yes. If it is 0.64, then it is 0.8. 0.8. When cos theta is 0.8, theta is approximately 37. Here it is again 35 point something, 36 degree. Cos theta is 0.8, theta is 37, approximately 36. Exact you can have from the table, right? It is approximate only. Exact you can see from the table. This is 1. Now try numerical number 18, 1/8. Numerical is 2 Nicols, that is Polaroids, are so oriented that the maximum amount of light is transmitted. Initial status is given. To what fraction of its maximum value is the intensity of transmitted light reduced when the analyzer is rotated through? 1, 45 degree. Second, 90 degree. Third, 180 degree. 2 minutes with you. Initial status is what? Theta is what? 0. Yes. Initial status, it is given 1. Other one is parallel. Theta, angle between the two is 0. So this intensity is I naught, this is 2 I naught. Here what you get is I naught into cos square 0 means what? I naught. This is given. Yes, A part. What is the output when theta is equal to what? Yes, when theta is theta 1, say case number 1, theta 1 is 45 degree. The output is, if this energy is I naught, here the energy is what? I naught cos square theta 1 is equal to what? I naught cos square 45 is equal to what? I naught cos 45 is 1 by root 2 square, that is 1 by 2 means what? 50%. The angle between the two is 45 degree. It is 50% of this value. There is no question about 2 I naught. Second part, theta, second case, angle is 90 degree. If it is 90 degree theta 2, then it is what? 1 is like this. The other one is perpendicular. Angle between the two is 90 degree. I naught cos square theta 2. I naught cos square 90. Cos 90 is what? 0. So output is what? 0%. It is which case? Yes. 1. If theta is 0, it is this one. Both are parallel. If you rotate, now you can see, you can have some part of light or you can see me through this. If I keep on moving this way and when it is perpendicular, yes, if one and the other one is perpendicular, the output light is 0. Third case, theta 3 is what? 180 degree. You can draw the diagram at your own. I naught cos square 180. Cos 180 is how much? Minus 1 square is I naught into 1 is what? 100%. Experiment 1, other one. This is how it is, correct? If I keep on rotating, this is 0, 90 degree, 120, 150, 170 and 180. If it is 180, it is the same status. Whatever was the energy in case number 1, 100%. So you rotate it by 180, there is no change. 1 minute to complete.